What are you doing?
Hi, Professor Burger. Oh, dear. Well, I'm having 13 of my closest friends over for the dinner party tonight, and I have to make pasta with an option of meat, olives, or peppers. Yeah, they all told me what they want.
Ah, and you're trying to count all the votes.
Yes, but as you can see, it's not going so well because I keep knocking the blocks over.
Ah, and that's why you're using the blocks. I know what you need to do.
What?
You need to use a bar graph.
A bar graph?
Mm-hmm. Let me show you. I've got a great math riddle that actually will illustrate exactly that.
Well, let's get cooking!
Come on over here. Okay, so here's the riddle. Dexter asked his classmates which pizza toppings they prefer. Now, the question is, did more classmates choose peppers and olives than mushrooms?
I don't know.
Okay, well, let's make the bar graph. So here we set up a bar graph. So we see on this side we have the different toppings, peppers, meat, mushroom, olives. And then here the scale is going to represent the number of classmates. So 0, 1, 2, all the way out to 10. And so now we're going to take the information that Dexter collected and we're going to record that on the bar graph by actually extending the bar to indicate how many classmates preferred that particular topping.
Okay.
So, for example, let's do the first one together. So if I see that we have 4 classmates that chose peppers, that means that I am going to color in up to 4 in the
bar graph?
In the bar graph by the peppers.
I see.
So I'm going to make it very nice. And now you get to color a little bit. It's always fun to color. I'm going to do the best I can.
Well, you're
color.
very good at it.
I think I'm kind of medium at it.
You know, you could always become an artist, Professor Burger.
I think I should stay a mathematician, but thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so there you have it. So there's the first one, and that's how you would do these. Now, I've actually done the other ones in advance. So we have we have 7 classmates that actually chose to prefer meat. So there we bring in a bar, and notice that the length of the bar is 7. That's what that means. And then we've got a 5 that picked mushrooms. So here's 5 that picked mushrooms. And then we see 2 classmates chose olives, and so not very many, and so it's a very short bar that corresponds to the scale of 2 classmates. So now we want to see, did more classmates choose peppers and olives than mushrooms? Well, peppers and olives, Jeannie, that's my cue that we want to add the number of students that preferred peppers and the number of students that preferred olives. So here's peppers, and that was 4. So we have to now add 4 plus, and then the olive count we see is 2. So we see 4 plus 2 equals 6. Now here's a challenge for you, and for you too, Jeannie.
Okay.
How many classmates actually preferred mushrooms, and then which one was in fact greater? The 6 or the mushroom favorite people? Think about it for yourself. We'll be right back. Well, let's see. I look on this bar graph, and I see that 5 students actually picked mushrooms as their favorite pizza topping, and olives and peppers together, we saw 6 people, and since 6 is greater than 5, and that's how we write it, then we see that the answer is yes, more classmates chose peppers and olives than mushrooms. And we saw that by using this bar graph and carefully filling it in and then analyzing it. That's it.
That is very helpful, Professor Burger.
Hey, now I've got one question for you.
What?
What time is your big dinner party tonight?
Oh, it's at 6 o'clock. Oh, no! There's only one more question I have.
Well, what's that, Jeannie?
Well, how am I going to get this all cooked by 6 o'clock?
Have fun with math. We'll see you soon. Don't panic. Don't panic.